All right, today we're going to be learning tax and tip. So last week we did the percent proportion. So in other words, when you go to the store and buy something, there's always going to be a tax. All right, when you go to the cash register, it automatically does it for you, but sometimes you need to figure it out to see if you have enough money in your pocket. Tip, a lot of times when we give a tip, or sometimes it's just what you have extra out of what you're going to pay, or you're like, it's going to be an extra $10. But there is sometimes people want to leave a percentage off their bill. But whether it's tax or tip, you're both going to do the same thing. So for instance, if I had an $8 meal, okay, and the tax was 8.25% tax. Okay, so how much would I be paying for that meal? So I wanted to do the same thing that I did last week. Line equals line. And I'm going to put my percent on the top right. The 100 on the bottom. And because that tax is going to be off this $8 meal. And we're going to put an X right there. So we're going to cross multiply and divide. $8 times 8.25 is 66. Divide that by 100. So 66. Cross multiply and divide. That's going to be 66. Divide that by 100. Which ends up being 66 cents. 66.66 or 66 cents. Now, this is the tax which gets added to the meal. So $8 plus 66 cents, so it's $8.66. So how much would you pay for the meal? $8.66. Now, in our answer choices, we are going to put the dollar sign to state that it's talking about money. Okay? All right, let's do another example. Let's just say we want to buy a shirt that's $25. And the tax is 6.5%. Same thing. We want to go 6.5. Remember, tax goes in the top right. 100 goes on the bottom. 25 goes here. And X goes there. Okay? So $25 times 6.5 equals 162.5, and then 100 times X. Don't forget the cross multiplication. Okay, so 162.5 divided by 100 is 1.625. This is the tax. Okay, I'm going to round this 5 to make that a 3. Remember, 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less, let it rest. So 1.63. So I'm going to add $25 plus $1.63. So 3, 6, 6. So the final price will be $26.63. Of course, you can use your calculator for that, but I'm just showing you that tax we add, tip we add. Okay? All right, now let's do tip. Let's just say we went out to eat and it was the meal cost $56. Okay? And we want to leave a 20% tip. So line equals line. Okay. Remember, percent goes on the top right, 100 goes on the bottom, 56, X right here. So 56 times 20 is 1,120. Okay, remember we're still cross multiplying and dividing. Then we're going to do 1,120 divided by 100. Okay, so it is 11.2. This is the tip. Okay, remember the tip is what we add, so we're going to go $56 plus 11.2. Do not forget your decimals when you add it in the calculator. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So the total bill is $67.27. This is the total bill. Okay? All right, now you're going to try this on your own.